guess you wonder where I've been.
I look like a skater boy. I didn't know about this one. I don't think it's a look. So I thought I had a big head, but I guess not, because we have a flap there. It's really bothering me. And I have crust on my lips. We're gonna act like we didn't see that, but how cute. Beautiful. I know.
Do you like?
Okay, so you probably clicked on this video because you're curious as to see how much YouTubers like me make, or just like if you want to start a channel, how much I make, how to make money as a teen, how to make money like using any social media platform, because you can make money really easy nowadays no matter what age you are. So today I'm just gonna go over everything, like how I make my money. I want to do like a YouTube guide and like how I started my channel and like how to gain subscribers and stuff, but that'll probably be a different video because I don't want to combine them. I feel like this would be really helpful. Also, like before I even made money and when I didn't really have that many subscribers, I had the same questions as you probably do, and that's why you probably clicked on this video. And like making money on YouTube as a 14-year-old seems kind of surreal, but it's pretty simple when I like explain it to you. Starting off, I'm just gonna say I don't do YouTube for the money. I didn't even know that you could make money when I first started it in like 5th grade. And if you're thinking on starting a channel to start making money, then I don't think you should do it. Starting a channel just for money is the entirely wrong reason, and I think that later you'll regret it because you're not gonna enjoy it. But yeah, so if you want to start YouTube, start it for your own enjoyment, your own passion, not for money, not for fame, you know. Okay, so the first way that you can make money in like social media, like because YouTube is a social media platform, I make some kind of money on my Instagram. If you guys want to go follow my Instagram, it's dezmachadi. I just hit 100K. Yay. Sometimes I get promos on there and I'll get like either 200, 150. It just depends on the company. One way that you could easily get money, I know a lot of people that don't even have YouTube channels and they just have like beauty accounts or they have like fashion accounts, even meme accounts, and they make money because they promote like other personal accounts or other businesses. Yeah, that's a really easy way to make money, and that goes for all ways. It could go for Instagram, Twitter, it could probably go for Facebook, like anything you have with like a large amount of following that like other companies like see potential that you could give them business. So okay, so I was gonna film this on my camera, but my camera just died, so I'm out of luck here. I also forgot to mention that you can also make money through email. So if you have a YouTube channel and you have maybe more than 10K, or not even, it doesn't even have to be a YouTube channel, it could be like an Instagram account, it could really be anything. A lot of companies and brands contact you through email, so I really recommend, if you guys want to start making money through social media, then to have an email and like publicly show it so that people can email you, because only a few companies have ever like DM'd me. I usually get like business inquiries through email. So that's also how I make some of my money. Like companies will send me clothes to review on my channel and they'll send me money for it. Some companies send me wigs, some companies send me like contacts or like makeup products. It's really just anything that you do, because since my channel is like somewhat mostly fashion, a lot of fashion and like clothing companies email me so that I can review their clothes and like promote them, and they'll pay me for it. So apps that want to get business, they'll contact me to promote them, like Postmark. Like Postmark has sponsored me a couple times and I'm really grateful for them. But yeah, so I just wanted to add that because I thought that I did say that, but I guess I didn't. That's another way that you can make money, is through email. So you should definitely make an email if you are serious about making money on social media. Okay, so now for making money on YouTube. So the way that you make money on YouTube is by monetizing your videos. Basically, the monetization comes from Google AdSense, which is just like the money form of Google. Google AdSense is what is going to be paying you. You can get your money through mail. I'm pretty sure. I don't get mine through mail, so I'm not sure. I get mine through a bank account, so you can do that. You can get it to your mom's. You can make your own. Personally, for me, I get paid the 21st of every month. You only get paid once a month, which I think is pretty reasonable because they pay a lot of people. So like I said, monetizing is a really big part in making money on YouTube. If you don't know what monetizing is, basically it's just putting ads on your videos. If your video is over 10 minutes, then you can put like multiple ads throughout the video. If it's less than 10 minutes, you can only put one in the beginning and one at the end. So like longer videos might make more money than shorter videos, since longer videos has more ads that people can like engage on. That's another thing, like ad engagement is what gives you your money. Basically, ad engagement is basically if someone clicks on the ad or like watches through the whole ad and they don't press skip ad. kind of just stuff like that. There's different types of ads. There's different types of ads that you can put on your video. You can put the overlay ads, which is basically just like the little advertisement that comes at the bottom that you can click out of. And there's like the ads that you can skip, like you press skip ad, and then there's those ads that you can't skip. You can actually choose the type of ad that you want to be on your video using the app called YouTube Studio. I use this to put on my thumbnails. I use it to monetize my videos, to put like the bio and everything, to publicize my videos. So this is a really good app if you want to start YouTube, because it's basically your control. So yeah, the more ads that you put on your video gives you a higher chance of getting more money. Like if you guys watch maybe one of Queen's videos or the Ace family, you'll see a lot of those like white little dots. That means that's how many ads they put on their video. Yeah, those ads is what gives you your money. Another thing that people ask me is that if your subscriber, like if your subscriber count matters on how much money you get, and the answer is no. I can have like 2 subscribers and one of my videos like blows up or goes viral and gets like 2 million views. I could get the same amount of money as someone who has 1 million subscribers. It doesn't matter on the subscribers, it matters on the amount of views, because some of my videos get like 500,000, some of them get like 100,000. So that's a big drastic difference in money wise. So it doesn't depend on the subscribers, it depends on the amount of views that you get on the video.
Another thing is that, like, say you make 2 videos and they each hit 50,000 views, one video might get a lot more money than the other, and that's just because like YouTube is really like inconsistent. Like one video with 50,000 views could make like $200 and another video could make like $80. So it's really inconsistent. Like I said, it just depends on the ad engagement. Maybe in one of the videos a lot more people like didn't skip the ad, or they clicked on it, or just stuff like that. So I wanted to add that in.
Subscriber is just like a subscription to your channel. They get notified every time that you post, so that's why people subscribe to your channel. Overall, it depends on the views. That was really long, I'm really sorry. So now on to how you actually monetize your video. You actually have to make a Google AdSense account, and basically you can just link it to your regular YouTube account, but you have to wait to get verified by the YouTube community, I guess. In order to get verified, you have to have 4,000 minutes of watch time. Watch time is basically like if you have 5 videos and they each have 500 views, then all those videos add up to 4,000 minutes. And watch time means that basically if each of your videos are like 10 minutes, then you would times 10 by 500, because 500 views times 10 minutes, and if that equals over 4,000, then you're one step closer to getting monetized. Second step is that you have to have over 1,000 subscribers, which honestly can take a while. When I first started my channel, it took really long. I think it took me about 3 years to get over 1,000 subscribers. We really just have to be patient, because once you start like growing, you'll grow faster. Like after I hit 1,000, I just like took off. So be patient. When you first start YouTube, you're not gonna grow super fast, and that's how it is for everyone. Like your favorite YouTubers like Shane Dawson, he was at that point too, so you just have to be patient. So once you get verified to monetize your videos, you have to connect your like money AdSense account to a place like where it could get deposited. You could do it through the bank, to your mailbox. Kind of just depends on what you want to do. Okay, so this is something that confuses a lot of people, but basically you can't get your money, like your money amount of that month, until you reach $100. So you can't deposit your money until it's over $100, which honestly is kind of frustrating because you only get paid once a month. If your money doesn't pass $100, then it rolls over to the next month, and then the next month until you reach $100, and that's when you can take it out of Google AdSense into wherever you're gonna get it. Say the month of October you make $60 by the end of the month, and since it hasn't reached $100 yet, it rolls over to the next month. So then in November you only made $30, so then you only have $90, and since it's not 100, even though it's really close, you have to roll over to a whole nother 30 days and wait to get paid on the 21st of December, because you have to wait until you reach $100. You can also check like your estimated revenue on the YouTube Creator app, or if you go on the YouTube on a desktop like a computer, and you can go to your analytics and see how much like is estimated that you made that month. It updates every day, so it's pretty convenient on like, and it's really accurate on how much you're gonna make that month. So after you link your Google AdSense account to whatever place you're gonna get it from, they're gonna send you a confirmation code through your mailbox, so you have to put your address. They did this to me about a year ago. I don't know if they like changed the system, but this is what I had to do. They sent me like a confirmation code. It was 6 digits, and I had to put it through my computer so that they could verify that that's like the way that I want to get paid, because I'm getting paid through my bank instead of my mailbox. So it might take a few days for Google AdSense to send that to you, and then you put in your confirmation, and that's pretty much how you get paid on YouTube. Once you get the hang of it, it's really not that hard. I just wanted to give like all the beginner tips and details, because all this stuff I literally had to learn on my own, and this is just like the full rundown on how to make money on YouTube. Of course, you can make money on a whole bunch of other platforms like TikTok, YouNow. Like there's a bunch of other platforms that you can get big on and start making money on there. But on YouTube, this is just how you do it. And Instagram, I do promos sometimes. Sometimes I do promos on Snapchat too. But so that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Give this video a like if you guys want me to do like a YouTube like starting beginner guide, I guess, on how to like gain subscribers and just how to maintain a good channel, I guess, because I think my channel is kind of good. I don't know. Guys, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.